and Jermaine here again. We are at Salon Republic Santa Monica on 2nd, and we have something really special. We have Monika. Hi, Monika. Say hi.
Hi.
Monika, let everybody know where you're from.
Hi, I'm originally from Poland and I moved to the United States 6 years ago, and I live in Los Angeles for 3 years.
Great. And she is a makeup artist and trainer. So she's going to show us her process for
Ombre style eyebrows, and it's my signature shape and signature method.
All right, so Monika, you're starting by, you are drawing on shapes. Is this your outline for where you're going to actually?
Yeah, first we try to find out the best shape for client. So first I draw just one side to see how they're gonna look like, and once the client gonna like it, we can go to other side. But first I want to see how she's gonna look with this shape and what she's thinking about thickness, shape, if she likes the color.
And how does the ombre style eyebrow differ from a regular eyebrow?
It's softer on the beginning and gets darker to the tail, so that's look more natural. It's the newest style, and it's different than microblading, where we create only strokes. Over here we fill in eyebrows with pigment everywhere, but they're gonna look very natural after healing process. So they look exactly like a pencil, like a powder, and they stay much better and longer than microblading, but they don't look like a heavy tattoo.
So Monika, maybe this isn't the best time to ask this question before we're about to get started,
Yes.
but does it hurt?
No, you can feel a little bit discomfort on the first pass. After first pass we put a second anesthetic, and after that it's not absolutely painful.
Oh,
Whenever she's gonna feel anything, she's gonna let me know and I'm gonna add more, so no.
Okay, good. Didn't mean to scare you, Jasmine. Ombre eyebrows, are they meant to be worn, I guess is the word I would say, worn with the natural hair of your brows, or is it just what you're doing?
What?
Does that make sense?
No.
Okay, let me ask it again. Does it blend in with your natural hair, or is it just what you're putting on the eyebrow should be the way it looks?
It depends on client shape and what look we want to achieve. We always try to follow natural shape. And but sometimes if they're very uneven or there are some spots missing, we fill in a little bit more, or we adjust to look them better. So later on, just our clients, they need to shape a round new shape, their natural eyebrows, if they need it, if the shape is a little bit different than natural. But we always follow the shape which they have it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's good. Ombre eyebrows, have they been around a while? Are they a new trend? How does that, what have you seen?
So it's a new technique. It's been for like 1 year, 2 years, and became more and more popular because it's for every type of skin. Microblading, it's for more dry and normal skin, not for oily. And for eyebrows, it's for every type. You can use also on oily skin, and you can cover all permanent makeup, which is really good because we have we have a lot of clients which they're looking for to cover all not the best work done before. So that's perfect solution, and they stay longer. They're really gonna heal to very natural look, and this is what client looking for. So let me show you now how they look like. I hope you're gonna like it.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
They're amazing, right?
Okay, thank you. But they're gonna look a little bit lighter and they're gonna look softer. They're gonna look very natural.
They look so perfect. Oh my god.
Yeah. So there is a few steps which you need to follow. Your aftercare. You need to clean your eyebrows today 3 times. We're gonna give you water wipes every 2-3 hours, and we're gonna give you also moisturizer, and moisturizer you're gonna start using after tomorrow for next 5 evenings. Okay. So today you just clean them. Tomorrow you're gonna leave them alone. After tomorrow you're gonna start your moisturizer. So please don't put water on your eyebrows for 1 week. Wash your face around your eyebrows. And no workout, no jacuzzi, no pool, no sun for 1 week, okay?
They're done! They look amazing, Monika.
Thank you.
Wow, they're fantastic. Now, if someone is interested in booking with you, they would like this done, what's the best way to reach you?
You can give us a call. Our phone number is 310-866-9328. And my assistant Liana, she's ready to help you. We are open from 10 to 6, from Monday to Friday.
And what if you're a permanent makeup artist already looking to learn this technique? You do training?
So you can book with us under our phone number or by email, beautyltl15gmail.com, or you can find us on social media, Instagram or Facebook, BeautyLTL Santa Monica.
I'll put that up on the screen for everybody too.
Okay,
all right.
thank you.
Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.
Thank you.
She's a roller coaster.